Imagine having a pocket-sized drone that captures your life's best moments with effortless style. DJI has revolutionized the drone world yet again, and this time it's all about the DJI Flip, an all-in-one vlog camera drone designed to redefine creativity for vloggers, adventurers, and everyday users alike. At Technology Review, we're diving deep into what makes the DJI Flip not just another drone, but a must-have tool for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game. Introducing the DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is not just compact, it's groundbreaking. This drone merges cutting-edge technology with an intuitive design, creating a perfect companion for content creators on the move. Its foldable form factor ensures that you can carry it anywhere without hassle, while its powerful features make it an indispensable tool for everything from casual selfies to cinematic aerial shots. The design: sleek, lightweight, and functional. At first glance, the DJI Flip's design is futuristic yet minimalist. It's crafted to be ultra-lightweight, allowing you to slip it into your pocket or bag effortlessly. The foldable arms and smooth edges give it a sleek look while maintaining practicality. Durable build. Despite its lightness, the DJI Flip is built to withstand everyday wear and tear, making it perfect for adventurers. Foldable magic. Fold, flip, and you're ready to take off. The folding mechanism is smooth and quick, ensuring setup time is minimal. LED indicators. Clear LED lights provide real-time status updates, adding a touch of convenience. Advanced features for vloggers. DJI has packed the Flip with features that cater specifically to vloggers and creative professionals. Whether you're an amateur or a seasoned pro, this drone is designed to simplify your workflow. 1. Drone mode. Your personal photographer. Ever wanted a perfect selfie from the skies? The DJI Flip introduces drone mode, where a simple voice command lets the drone position itself and snap the perfect shot. Hey fly, take a drone, is all it takes, and the drone takes off, adjusts its angle, and captures you and your surroundings with cinematic precision. 2. AI tracking and framing. The AI technology in the DJI Flip takes smart framing to the next level. It locks onto subjects effortlessly and tracks their movements, ensuring you stay in the frame, no matter the action. 3. One-tap editing suite. The Flip comes equipped with an integrated editing suite accessible via the DJI app. This allows you to quickly enhance footage, add filters, and export content ready for social platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Camera specs. Crystal clear imagery. At the heart of the DJI Flip is its stunning camera system. Designed to deliver impeccable clarity and vibrant visuals, this drone is a content creator's dream. 4K UHD video. Capture every detail in ultra-high definition. HDR support. Bring out vivid colors and deep contrasts in every shot. Wide-angle lens. A broader field of view ensures you never miss the big picture. Stabilization. Electronic Image Stabilization, EIS, guarantees smooth, shake-free footage. Flight capabilities. Smooth and reliable. The DJI Flip isn't just about looking good, it's about performing exceptionally. Its flight capabilities are engineered for stability and precision, even in challenging conditions. 1. Obstacle avoidance. Thanks to advanced sensors, the DJI Flip can navigate complex environments, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a smooth flight path. 2. Long battery life. The drone boasts a flight time of up to 30 minutes on a single charge, giving you ample time to capture breathtaking shots. 3. Compact controller. The accompanying controller is ergonomic and compact, with intuitive controls that make flying the drone feel natural, even for beginners. Real-world scenarios. The DJI Flip isn't just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Imagine these scenarios. Vlogging adventures. Whether hiking a mountain trail or exploring a bustling city, the Flip captures dynamic aerial views that enhance your storytelling. Event coverage. Use the drone to add cinematic flair to weddings, parties, and live events. Solo shoots. With AI tracking and voice commands, you don't need a crew to produce professional-grade footage. What makes the DJI Flip unique? There are countless drones on the market, so what sets the DJI Flip apart? User-friendly design. The Flip is perfect for beginners and professionals alike, with intuitive controls and smart features. Portability. Its foldable, lightweight design ensures you can take it anywhere without added bulk. Versatility. From dronies to cinematic video shoots, the DJI Flip adapts to your needs seamlessly. The competition. How does it stack up? When compared to competitors like the DJI Mini 3 Pro or Autel Nano Plus, the DJI Flip stands out for its emphasis on vlogging. While other drones focus on professional cinematography, the Flip bridges the gap between casual and pro-level use. Pricing and availability. While DJI hasn't officially announced the pricing, industry rumors suggest the Flip will be positioned as an affordable option within the $400 to $600 range. Its price-to-performance ratio makes it a compelling choice for creators on a budget. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Flip worth it? The DJI Flip is more than just a drone. It's a revolution in personal content creation. By combining portability, ease of use, and advanced technology, it empowers creators to push their boundaries. Whether you're a vlogger looking to upgrade your content or someone who simply loves capturing life's moments, the DJI Flip is a worthy investment. For more reviews, tips, and insights, subscribe to Technology Review and stay ahead of the latest trends in tech and innovation.